What's up, guys? Today in this video we're doing some socialization with Casey boy. Oh, that's a big yawn. So I just returned a post hole digger. Yeah.
I thought you tried to bought anything.
Oh, I'm here for a return. Are you a manager? Has charged me for 2 augers and I only have 1. No worries. I really appreciate everything.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too. This thing cost me like around $1,000, bro. And thankfully I got refunded for most of the money. Some of the stuff was like gear oil and like some shear bolts that broke. It was only like $50-ish of the $1,000 that I didn't get back. But you know, I totally understood. It's a lot better than them saying, you know, they can't give me a refund for anything at all. Now we are going to Home Depot to return a chainsaw. We love Home Depot because they are a dog-friendly store. You know, one day I really hope to get sponsored by Home Depot. I mean, come on, look at the color. I shop at Home Depot all the time as a landscaping business owner. Matter of fact, of all the receipts that I'm going to be writing off this year because of, you know, taxes and all that, besides gas, Home Depot's gonna be the #1 company. So Home Depot, if y'all are watching, I'd love a sponsor someday. Speaking of Home Depot, one of the employees met him who runs the tool rental section, and they absolutely love him.
They are all so pretty.
So good
Aren't
boy.
you?
Good job, Casey.
I'm a sucker for dogs.
So I might stop by and see if that guy's here as well. That's a good boy, buddy. You stay in there. Look at Casey. You stay. Oh my God! What are you doing? All right, y'all. So I didn't get a lot of content in Home Depot, sadly, because as soon as I started recording, this dude right here jumped out of the cart. So I eventually put my camera down, and when I got inside though, the person that met with Casey last time, she actually gave me like cardboard for the cart. And like, just, I love Home Depot so much. Like, not only do like they provide me materials for my job, you know, I bought my whole fence here pretty much, but also like they look out for their customers. Like, 1, with returns, and 2, with my like puppies. Like, they care more about Casey almost more than I do, it feels like. Like, they were giving him treats. She was super interested in what like type of training I'm gonna do with him. So now it's just like, it's a huge motivation to like keep getting him better and better every time I bring him here to Home Depot. So huge shout out to them. Next time I'll try to get some more footage. But speaking of socialization, now I'm gonna bring Casey to meet Oakley. If you guys are real OGs on the channel, you'll know that I made a puppy video of a golden retriever. A really long time ago. I'll play like a snippet of it here. So we're about to go meet Casey's cousin and just see how they play with each other. And I'm just so happy right now. I got my stuff returned. Casey got amazing just attention at Home Depot, and I'm just feeling so good. And I just want to share this moment with y'all. So come along, and thanks for watching. Yep. What's up, buddy? Obviously, we had to stop, say hi to Mr. Cyber. Casey, would you like to meet your cousin? Checking out the crib. Should have brought my 1-wheel, Casey. Where you going? Come on, Casey. Yeah. Hi. Oakley, meet your cousin. Hi, Oaks. Let's run around. Yeah, puppies. Oh, hey, Oakley. Long time no see. You haven't been on the channel in a long time. That's my puppy. Be really submissive to Mrs. Oakley. Should we go run? Should we go play? Come on. Oh. Go get your cousin, Oakley. I mean, Casey. That was a good trick.
Go get it! Casey, go get him! Look, Derek. Go get him!
Come on, Casey, play.
Get him! You gotta get him! Alright, buddy! Alright, buddy! Come on!
Go get her, Casey.
He'll be tired after this. Hi, buddy! Hey!
Oakley.
Is that your cousin? Get him!
Come on, guys. Let's see some play. Come on, Casey. Get the toy. You're scared. Get the toy. Go big bark. Come on, y'all. Yeah, I see it, Oakley. Good boy. It's a watery one. Not picking that up, huh?
Get him!
Good job.
Get her! Get her! Hi! Get her! Get Oakley! Get the frisbee!
Oakley, share, okay?
Oakley doesn't
He'll
do
tug.
nothing. Here, let me see.
Uh-oh. Almost, Casey. Oh, good girl.
Get it, run.
Get it, Casey.
Get it, run.
Take the toy.
Get it, Casey, run.
Get the toy, buddy.
Aww.
Good job.
Oakley, you're so nice. Let's sniff. Let's sniff.
Hey, you were on a video a long time ago. Oh. Smells rabbit poop. Don't eat that. Nasty. No. People at Home Depot love him.
Yeah, same people.
One of the return policy ladies, like, she remembered him and everything. Yeah.
So, Home Depot is where they took the thing back?
Home Depot, I returned the chainsaw, and then Tractor Supplies where I returned the.
Oh, that's
So I made like $1,100 today, which is
Wait,
nice.
You didn't make 1,100. You.
Yeah, I got it back.
Okay, ready? Go get it. Get it.
Good boy.
He's so awkward when he runs. Cammy was so much faster than him. He couldn't catch her.
Yeah.
Get her. Get Casey Oakley. Good. He hops. Aww. Ooh. Aw.
Good job, guys.
That's nice playing, Oakley. Oakley needs to run. Oakley can run pretty fast.
Uh-oh. Come on, Casey, get the toy.
Yeah, she's scared of the growling. Fox. Fox so skinny with those long legs. What's that? Is that bird? Casey? You gonna chase the birds for Grandma? In the spring? You go get the birds for me? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Here comes Oakley. Here comes Oakley. Get him. big tough boy. You a big tough boy. Are you a big tough boy? Huh? You tough boy?
Come on, get the toy, Casey.
Casey, get it.
Grab it.
Get it.
Almost.
Get
Grab it. Grab it.
Get it.
Get the toy.
Should I go get another one?
No, it's alright. Get the toy. Get the toy. Come on, tug with her. Here. You tug with her. Yeah, good boy. Come on. Come on, get that toy. Yeah. You almost had it.
Oh, kisses. Oh, that's so nice.
How old is Oakley?
7. Marie texted me, she said Mia wants to see Oakley.
Yeah.
And then she FaceTimed, within minutes. And Mia's all of a sudden in the screen. And she goes, Oaks! 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 So I had to get Oakley in the shot. And then she was saying num nums, num nums, and Marie said she wants you to give her a treat.
Aw.
Yeah, Mia misses her Oakley. Mia misses her. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Good job.
Good job, Casey. Good job.
You almost had it, buddy. That was a good boy. That was good dog. Oh, he's watching the bird.
Get the bird.
Good job, Casey. Woo! Doing your job. That's a good boy. Alright, y'all. So as you saw, Casey had an amazing time meeting his cousin, and he took after Cyber chasing those birds. One of my favorite things that my mom made Cyber do was chase birds off the property because they like poop all over the driveway. And she mentioned that, and like 5 minutes later he did it. So that was really cool. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Come on. Come on, Casey. Come on. Oh, my gosh. Come here. Oh, my. Yes. Ooh. Hey. Hey.